Hey everyone, I wanted to run through the Power Editor with you. So, if you've looked at the first initial videos and you went through the entire introduction playlist, you basically have your foundation and basics set up for single article, bulk, and programmatic generation. So, the other part of the Power User upgrade is you get a pretty killer editor on the back end as well. So um, I always recommend going in here and making 5, 10, 15 minutes worth of optimizations and edits. I know some customers have no interest in that whatsoever and just want to bulk publish. That's obviously a-okay with us as well. But if you're really looking to further optimize a money page, for example, or just having your VAs or team hop in here and make edits. We provide you with everything you need to really optimize the article. So let's take a look around. First up top here is just a very standard toolbar within pretty much any editor. One thing I'll point out is this AI tool. Each of these creates its own prompt in the back end. We obviously pass through the cost to you guys, but play around with these. This is going to get significantly more functionality as we roll out like V2. But this is the one that a lot of people use. You can summarize this paragraph, you can expand it, you can complete it, you can change the tone, you can fix the grammar. So definitely play around with the AI tools. And then just up top here, as we're going left to right, you can share with your team. Obviously, the download functionality is there for HTML, markdown, plain text. You can send to a lot of people send to Google Docs to then kick it off to an editor, whatever it may be. Let me just click the share there. Yep, and then send to as well. You can direct to publish Word Docs Blogger randomly enough. So anyway, that is the editor, and then really on the right hand side here is all the bells and whistles and the features of the editor. So obviously we are taking what is diabetes, and we are have the search volume. You'll see this show related search. All related searches to the topic of what is diabetes. You can very quickly draft a cluster project, hit this button. All of these keywords will immediately go into your projects, be saved, and you can start to generate the new products. And then down below here, SERPs. So you can dig into top keywords, the CDC, you'll see here. Everything comes with a copy paste. Very easy to drag in anything into the editor. So just keep that in mind. View headings. You can say you're missing something in here, boom, drop it in. Make that in H2, and then hit your AI tools and write on it. So very, very simple to do. One other thing real quick within the editor, hit the, see the options here. It will give you a list of things you can do with short commands. Two new ones are custom code and short code, which I'm going to show you below real quick. That's rolling out here soon. AI images are automatically in there. If you have to move things around, it is this simple. Let me just move it here, for example. So yeah, any of those things, just grab and move. Short code. So on the front end, this actually generated with this short code. We're going to have a pretty interesting integration with this soon, where it will connect to a affiliate platform that we're going to connect with. So show your table here. You can also do custom code. So I have another product table that I'm showing here essentially with custom code. So that's all there. You can hit the preview buttons to see what it looks like. Me, in this case, is a sock, diabetic sock. So those are there, all draggable, movable. If you want to add in more, you can. Just hit that and let's do custom code. So very simple, all drag and drop type of functionality within the editor. So really over here is everything you need to further optimize the article. You have your overview, you have your headings per SERP. Again, if you want to drag something in, drop it in, do the AI tools very quickly, add new text, change text, all with the AI tools. Same with FAQs. Maybe you didn't do FAQs in the article build. You can drop them in here if you want. Send to editor. It will pull from people also ask or the SERPs. Depends on what you want to use. It will copy it in directly. Make sure you change it. Let me just show you real quick. What does diabetes add to? So you'll see it adds it and then adds the text. So just highlight the text and just do expand, complete something where it will change the actual word for word FAQs. So just keep that in mind. News, this is pretty cool to keep your articles fresh. We'll reach out to Google and Bing to deliver you news about the topic of what is diabetes. It takes a second to load. Wiki, obviously, great to have. Same thing. You could view the wiki page itself. I'll show here. Drop in information, like maybe you're missing something, and wiki obviously is say you're missing all of this. Just copy this, drop it in here, and guess what? You can rewrite it. Also, these do come with like the links as well. Just keep that in mind. Same with any of these, right? So this is Wikipedia. Let's go back to news that should have generated, right? So let's go to Harvard Health. Same thing. If there's any links within this article, they will appear here. Just remember that. But again, maybe you're just missing something or want something from recency, right? So just grab any of these, drop it in. Very, very easy and quick to optimize an article. Play around with it. This is only going to get better. This is still V1. SERPs are here. Images are here. You can create your own images, replace these, do your own prompt, hit submit. It generates. You can easily drag it in. Next, coming sometime Q1 2024, authorship. It's going to be right here where you can scroll just like this. Authors, their credentials. Pick an author to review your article, to be the author of the article. It will kick over to them automatically. They have a backend of Cuppa as well. They'll do edits to your article and then send it back into your inbox. You can use your authorship. So a lot more coming to the editor. I think it's probably actually my favorite feature now of Cuppa. For me, this wiped out, Phrase and, Surfer AI. I still have Content AI via Rank Math, but that just came with the yearly package, but probably is going to be at some point ending all three of those, right? So again, the idea is to stick as much features into this from what is out there and available, improve on it, and really just have Cuppa be your content stack, period. That's the goal. Look out for those new editor changes coming in 2024. But authorship is going to be here, and that's going to obviously be just one more thing that makes Cuppa unique. But that's the editor. Stay tuned for further updates here in Q1.